Jingle bell.
This is the best place I can film. In my kitchen that may be aesthetically pleasing. Welcome to painting that I've had my whole life. I did it myself. My little hands, my little brush. I didn't do it. I'm not that talented. Anyways, today I thought, you know what, Chelsea, let's do something jolly. And then I remembered, I'm not a jolly person.
You've been eating all my stuff. Oh.
Go away. Go away. I'm not eating your stuff. Anyways, so today I was in the holiday spirit and I was like, what can I do that's festive, that's on brand, that's on trend? I thought, you know what, let me build a gingerbread house. So I went out to every store that you can name. I went to Target and I went to Target. Target had nothing. So what do you do when Target has nothing? You go to Walmart. Walmart had everything. I found a Princess Gingerbread house because it was like the only one that they had. And I was like, you know, this is very on brown. I'm a child. I act like a child. Why not do childish things? And it has all of the princesses. It even got the black princess. Look at them being inclusive. Grandma, shh. You're ruining my video. Alrighty, my ring light is activated and I'm ready to film. Gonna wipe off the table because it's a bit dirty because I'm living with animals. Grab some tea and grab your mom for a holly jolly Christmas. Hot. Also, this light is gonna show all my pores. Okay, shall we? Wig itches. Kiss one. Ah! It's like I'm living out my inner childhood. Directions today. That looks like blue. There are sugar cookies, which actually sounds way better than gingerbread if I'm gonna be quite honest. And that's all I know how to do. Huh. I wonder if they have a YouTube video on how to do this because this isn't. My lips are chapped, but I don't really care right now because I'm being an artist. Right, okay. Excuse this. You know, we used to have really big chairs and they just scuffed and cuffed and I don't have any energy right now. I'm just like now annoyed. Anyways, I used to want to be a baker when I was way younger, but that didn't work out because I burned things. Anything on it? Okay, cool. Cool, I could do that. It's not that hard, right? How do you open this? I never did anything like this as a child. Never did gingerbread houses, you know, but it's okay. My trauma makes me funny. Ew. So it says to put that in there. Go down. Mark, you have a waymark. I don't have a marker. Until I am done. Did I cut too much? Well, here's the reason why I can't be a baker. I don't like measuring things. I'm like, you know, this looks like it'll do. Okie dokie. How blue are you? Look at that. Ew, that noise. Everything I needed. Whoa, see, but this is what I didn't want. I didn't do this right. Tastes like cake. if I'm gonna be honest. Tastes just like cake frosting. I'm not obsessed. That's gonna make my mouth blue. Here's the first one. Photo shoot! And hey, stick it in there. So I was driving earlier. I just cut this the wrong way. I know what you're thinking. Why are you putting your hands and your fingers all over it, Chelsea? Why are you eating out of the thing, Chelsea? Coronavirus, Chelsea. Well, guess what? Chelsea's the only one here. Like always. Did it wrong again. Three colors, guys. Okay. So then we have the cookies. Smells like Christmas. Ew, I sound like Minnie Mouse. I don't like that. I'm going to attempt to get it to look like that. Okay, this is what they want me to do. And we're gonna see what I'm gonna do about it. Okay, fill in the door and windows, ledge, roof with purple icing. Where's the door? And why does it have to be purple? Why can't I do the color I want to do? When I was younger, I felt that I was gonna be one of the best artists because I knew how to draw why can't I talk? Eyebrows and eyeballs really, really well. I mean, I wouldn't say really well, but like better than your average second grader. I stopped doing it because I realized I really sucked. I don't know how to get this to look not like crap. My favorite animal is a panda bear because they're cute and cuddly. And also, I used to watch the movie Amazing Panda every single day of my life. That and there goes my refrigerator. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. That and Free Willy. So let me know if you've seen that. Ta-da. I hate this. I just want to... I wonder if people who build their gingerbread houses like professionally, like a professional gingerbread building contest, if they eat it after. What's up with that? Because I'm gonna eat this. Ho 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 ho. Again, disclaimer, I am not Picasso. I am not Leonardo da Vinci. But I am the Mona Lisa, because I'm a work of art. Earlier today, I realized that I have some obsessive compulsive disorders. Obviously fixable. However, they are there. Excuse my grandma, she's trying to get my dog to go outside and she's driving me crazy right now. Because she just doesn't get, Grandma, I am trying to do something for me. Okay? So please, just namaste. Fill in the towers with the pink icing. Got it. I can do that.
Get out of here, you rascal, you. Get out of here.
Was that necessary?
Yeah.
Actually block me. Is this candy? This is candy too. Even the princesses are candy. Look at that. Now, this is, if you have a sweet tooth, maybe don't build a gingerbread house. I sweet tooth, but I'm healthy. You know, I got self-control. You ever just sniff things? This is why I don't bake. So why will we act like that didn't just happen? Oopsies. Belle lost her head. Let's all say a prayer. Amen. This is This is why you don't let children in the kitchen. Now you want to be melted and stuff. Nothing. That was just, it's not burning anymore. No, I saw it. I saw it before it got burnt. It just burnt a little bit. I basically saved us. So, you know what I've realized? That doing a YouTube channel is basically talking to yourself for however long you decide to film, and then basically editing yourself, talking to yourself, basically showing it to the world and being like, hey guys. Hey guys! Ever been so annoyed in your life that you just couldn't? Now I'm stressed because they're telling me to do things that I know not how to do. Just nasty, messy, gross, disgusting. Why would anybody want to do this? Honestly. And then there's me. Teeth. Nasty, disgusting, gross, all of those things, and what about it? I'm guessing this is the... Is this not candy? No, it is candy. Ew. It tastes like a vanilla wafer. I mean, well, it is called a wafer. Paper. Chelsea. I'm not vibing with that. It says let it dry for an hour. I'm not doing that because I'm not doing that. Cut it. Get into it. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. And I'm actually not doing a bad job. Cool. Okay, guys. This is how it's looking. Broken cookie and all. There we go. That looks about right. Okay. That didn't work. Like if I leave it like that, that might work out for me, actually. I'm so excited. Oh. Okay. Things are looking up. A little bit of crack. Everything is falling apart. So as you can see, this is as far as we've gotten before everything really just like decided to fall again. Okay, look how far we're getting. Who's proud of me? Can you guys like not be so... We're gonna try to stick Belle somewhere up in the castle. But Belle is headless. Belle gonna have to turn up. Where are we gonna put Belle at? Belle, where do you wanna go? Do you wanna go on the roof? Cool. Look at Belle's little head. Time for the firework. Okay. Boom. And it just failed. All right, so this is the finished project. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below. Comment down below what your favorite part was. I can tell you my favorite part. Going to sleep in a minute. Anyways, I love you all. See you in the next one. Bye.